Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good morning, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Saturday. Tomorrow is D-Day for us here. It's Prime Day tomorrow. So today we have to get everything ready. But there's stuff, but it's not like crazy. So that's a good side of this. So a couple things we are definitely going to do today. Let me show you. Ron's first out of the gate, gonna take care of this windshield frame repair, so we're done welding and grinding. And then from there, we have everything's outside. Doors are ready. Rear fenders are DA down. Ron's gonna go ahead and go over them, get them ready, and get that going. So we got to get the rear fenders done today. We've got a couple things here where they did repairs on the hood over the years that we're just gonna take care of here. Got a little bit there, but otherwise the hood's great. So we're gonna take care of that, and I am going to pretty much go over this thing stem to stern with spot filler and anything else that it needs, and just get it where it needs to get. And then I think by the end of the day, I don't know, you think there's a chance we're seam sealing? Yeah, probably seam sealing underneath and in some places, and just getting this thing ready. So that's where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow's gonna be a pretty cool video, I think, if it works out. And we'll have some pretty cool content for you. It's gonna be gray again, so just prep yourselves for that. It's gonna go gray to gray, right, on this round, but it should look substantially better. And then we're gonna block that down, and then we're there. We're pretty much there. Little miscellaneous stuff from that point, and then we paint. So really doing well. So guys, I've got some cameras set up. I got one right behind me here. Hello. And we're gonna film all this and have you a pretty good video for tonight of us getting this thing ready. And it gets kind of wild from here. Priming, then blocking, and painting, and then assembly. Oh my gosh, lots of things gonna happen soon. So like in short order. So bear with us. Lots of parts are coming to assemble this whole thing, and we should be doing pretty good here soon. So thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe, and we will have some content for you here shortly. Thanks for watching. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to just check in with you guys, let you know what's going on. Tomorrow's going to be a huge day for the 73 Volkswagen thing. Let me show you what we got here. So we are set up for final prime. Kind of go over what we did today and where we're at with you guys. So first off, we cleaned the garage. Ron's actually draining the air compressor right now. But we went ahead and got the body pretty much there. I worked on up here, had some issues up here, took care of that. We did some seam sealing down here and in the engine compartment. Show you that. Not great light, but there's we did some seam sealing back up in here. You can kind of see it back there. We are ready, guys. Garage is blown down, everything's been cleaned and wiped down and chopped back and so on and so forth. So what we're thinking here, we're going to prime the body, inside and out, everything. And then we're also going to do the rear bumper, inside and out. The 2 dash pieces that we have, remember we're waiting on the piece for the driver's side from Mike from Think Parts. We'll do that when we do some other parts, but we're going to do those. We're also going to prime the hood, both sides, and the doors, all 4 doors, both sides. That should get us way down the road. Basically, we're waiting on, we're not going to prime the rear fenders or the front fenders or the deck lid because I have a new deck lid coming from Uncle Billy Bob. Shout out, you're amazing. And the front fenders obviously need a lot of work, and the back fenders need a little bit of work, but we just didn't get there. So, but all of this is ready, and this is a lot of stuff. So we're gonna get this done. Long story short, guys, tomorrow morning, probably 7:30, we're gonna be out here priming this monster with the slick sand, and we're thinking, barring everything goes right and it's not a shit show, we're then going to come here and jack this up, pop the wheels off, and install the new brakes on the front. And if we get to it, start running the brake lines and getting ready to bleed the brakes. So that's kind of what's probably going to happen tomorrow, which is kind of exciting. Just another step, another thing done, a loose end that needs to be taken care of. So lots happening. Tomorrow I am going to have a camera right there. I'm going to have a camera right there, and then I'm going to put another camera. Actually, I might not have one in the back. I'll probably be walking around with this camera and filming as we do it. So we'll have tons of footage of us priming this from every angle, and all the parts, and try to put together a pretty good video for you guys and actually edit it and do all the things. So anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great weekend, and stay tuned. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. We're ready here, and really excited to just get past this. I literally can't wait. So we will talk at you tomorrow, and I'll do some shorts and definitely a really good video and whatnot tomorrow, showing you guys everything. So anyway, have a great night, and we will talk at you tomorrow. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe.